Hi, my name is Ryan Lin. I'm an applications engineer in the Signal and Data Path Solutions group at Texas Instruments. Today, I would like to introduce you to the LMX9838 dongle evaluation module from our Simply Blue Bluetooth family. I will be doing 3 demos today. The first demo will be a SPP profile communication between our 2 EVMs. The second demo will be a voice transfer demo between our 2 EVMs. In the last demo, I will show you how we can use an Android phone and interact with our EVM using our Bluetooth SPP profile. So let me first show you the hardware system setup. We have 2 EVMs. On the left, we have our LMX9838 dongle evaluation module 1. On the right, we have EVM 2. Both of them are connected to our PC using serial port. The PC loads up the SB Smart Bluetooth software, which is an application demo software we have for the Simply Blue Bluetooth family. And here's the actual EVM. On the left, we have EVM 1. This is the LMX9830 dongle EVM with the UART connected to the PC and a power adapter on this side. There's an extra adapter board here, which is a codec board. This is meant for our second demo, voice transfer. For EVM 1, we have the microphone connected to it. On the right, we have EVM 2 with the same configuration, except we have instead a microphone, a speaker connected on the codec board. So let's start off with our first demo. SPP profile communication between 2 EVMs. This is our SB Smart GUI. The first step is to connect the EVM to the PC itself. On the top left, let's select the right COM port. In this case, it's COM port 3. If you go to the right, you can see the speed selection. The default is at 115.2 kpbs. Press connect. If you go to the bottom, you can see in the log, it says Simply Blue is ready and connected, and patch 2 is loaded. Let's go to the right again. On the top right corner, let's pick SPP profile. It loads up the SPP profile settings. And for demo purposes, let's rename this module as EVM 1, which will be connected to EVM 2. Set name. As you can see on the right, we already have EVM 2 set up. So we will connect EVM 1 to EVM 2 by going to the middle section. On the left, you can see inquiry. This is for EVM 1 to discover all the Bluetooth devices around it. In this case, we want to try to find our target device, EVM 2. It shows up the BD address. If you go to the right, we can press the Get Name button, and then we find our target device, EVM 2. The last step of this demo is to go to the middle section, the most left box that says SPP, and simply just press Connect. The highlighted red bar in the bottom indicates SPP is successfully connected. To test out this connection in EVM 1, let's try to send a signal 1, 2, 3. If you see the test log at EVM 2, you can send it receives 1, 2, 3. And vice versa, let's send ABC from EVM 2 to EVM 1. If you check the test log at EVM 1, it shows up as ABC. So that concludes our first demo, SPP communication between 2 EVMs. Our second demo will be voice transfer between the 2 EVMs. Same, we will be using the SB Smart GUI to do this demo. In this second demo, we will be doing voice transfer from EVM 1 to EVM 2. EVM 1 will simulate a voice gateway as a smartphone connecting to EVM 2. So on the top right corner, let's deselect SPP and select voice gateway. And this will be simulating as a smartphone. Same thing for EVM 2. Let's go to the top right corner. EVM 2 in this case will simulate as a headset. So we'll be connecting a smartphone to a headset. So under class of device, let's select headset. So for the headset to be paired with the smartphone, we have to turn on the pairing mode. So if you go to the most right box in the middle under headset, turn on pairing mode by clicking in the box. And let's go back to EVM1, which is now acting as a smartphone. The smartphone is going to initiate the pairing to EVM2, which in this case, it's a headset. So let's click Start Pairing. After it has been paired with EVM2, let's simulate a call going into the smartphone EVM1, which will initiate the connection between EVM1 and EVM2. So let's press the green phone button. And as you can see, they have been connected. The red bar on EVM1 voice gateway is lit up. If you go to EVM2, the red bar under headset is also lit up. So now the headset has to be turned on. Let's press this hook on/off button. And voice transfer gateway has been established. Now, if you actually look at the actual EVM, we have a microphone connected to EVM1, and the speaker is connected to EVM2. I'm going to test the voice transfer now. Test, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, voice communication has been established using the headset profile between the two EVMs. So this concludes our second EVM demonstration. So let's turn this off at EVM2. For the third demo, I will show you how we can use an Android smartphone and communicate with our EVM1 using SPP profile. To do that, let's first turn on the phone. In the Bluetooth settings, you can find an option, Scan for Devices. Press that, it's going to find all the Bluetooth devices around this phone. And it finds EVM1. Let's click on it to pair. It's asking for the PIN code. In SP Smart software, you can set the EVM PIN code to any number you want. In this case, the default is 4 zeros. It's paired. So this demo, again, is to see SPP communication between the phone and the EVM. So we actually have to go back to our SP Smart and set the EVM to SPP mode. So let's go back to our EVM1. Go to the top right corner, deselect the voice gateway, select SPP. So now everything's ready. We're ready to connect SPP from the phone to the EVM. On the phone, I downloaded an app, Bluetooth Terminal, from Google Store. There are many other Bluetooth Terminal apps you can download. In BlueTerm, let's go to Menu, Connect to Device. It shows up EVM1, the one we just paired, and actually connect to it. So it says connecting to EVM, and on the top right corner, it indicates that it's connected to the device. And if you go back to SP Smart, you can also see in the log that there was an incoming link and it has been established. And under the left SPP box, the red bar is showing that SPP connection is active. So from the phone, we can send any text we want. Let's do a test, 1, 2, 3. If you look back to the SP Smart, you can see incoming data, 1, 2, 3. And vice versa, we can send something from the EVM to the phone. Let's try ABC, click send. If you go back to the phone screen, you can see that it has received ABC. So the same thing can be done with the phone and the EVM for voice transfer. So this concludes our third demo. Last, I would like to show you this one other software we offer. This is the Simply Blue Commander. It is an inline programming tool that is a lower level than the SP Smart. This is a powerful programming tool that shows all the command features under here, and it has every single command you can use in SP Smart in here, but with the programming code provided. This is a very useful tool for development. So in summary, we have two software offered. First, the SP Smart, which is for demo purposes, and second, the Simply Blue Commander, which is very useful for inline programming development tool. For more information, please visit ti.com/simplyblue. Thank you.